Stop. Pause. Think. Have you ever said, "Yesterday I go to the market," and felt your confidence drop? Or you said, "Tomorrow I went there," and your brain completely froze? Today we fix that. Past tense, future tense, real speaking, no stress. Welcome back, everyone. This is your safe space to practice English. No pressure here, no judgment. Only real English, spoken slowly, clearly, and naturally. If you understand English but make tense mistakes when you speak, this lesson is for you. A2 to B1 learners, beginners to lower intermediate, you are exactly where you should be. Today, we will speak together. We will make mistakes together. And we will fix them together, calmly and confidently. Let's be honest for a moment. Tenses look easy in books, but when you speak, everything changes. Your brain is busy thinking about words, pronunciation, and confidence. So tense mistakes happen. That is normal. Today's goal is simple. Stop making tense mistakes when speaking about the past and the future. Not by memorizing rules, but by practicing patterns. Patterns your brain can remember. Here is the big secret. English tenses are about time, not perfection. Past tense answers one question. Did it already happen? If yes, use past tense. Future tense answers one question. Will it happen later? If yes, use future tense. Simple idea, right? But speaking makes us panic. So we slow down. Quick check for you. If I say, "Last night," what tense do we need? Say it out loud. Past tense, correct. Let's start with past tense. Past tense is for yesterday, last week, last year, 5 minutes ago. The most common mistake is using present tense. Example, yesterday I go to work. People understand you, but it sounds wrong. The fix is small.
Change go to went.
Yesterday I went to work.
Repeat after me.
Yesterday I went to work.
Again.
Yesterday I went to work.
One more time. Natural speed.
Yesterday I went to work.
Good job.
Many learners fear irregular verbs.
But don't panic.
You only need common ones.
Go, went. Eat, ate. See, saw.
Focus on speaking, not perfection.
Short story time.
Yesterday, I missed the bus.
I ran. I failed. I felt angry.
Then, I walked. I relaxed. I arrived late.
Simple verbs, clear past.
That is real English.
Mini quiz time.
Last night, I watched a movie.
Is this correct?
No.
Correct sentence?
Last night, I watched a movie.
Perfect.
Shake your shoulders.
Relax your face.
You are learning.
Now let's talk about the future.
Future tense is easier than you think.
The easiest future form is will.
Will is your best friend.
Tomorrow, next week, later, soon.
Example.
Tomorrow, I will call you.
Repeat after me.
Tomorrow, I will call you.
Again.
Tomorrow, I will call you.
Natural speed.
Tomorrow, I will call you.
Quick tip.
Going to is for plans.
Will is for decisions and promises.
If confused, use will.
Native speakers will understand you.
Small future story.
Tomorrow, I will wake up early.
I will drink coffee.
I will start my day fresh.
Clear and confident.
Mini quiz.
Next year, I went to Canada.
Correct or wrong?
Wrong.
Correct sentence?
Next year, I will go to Canada.
Great.
Can I be honest?
Of course.
Most learners are not bad at English.
They are just afraid.
Fear blocks speaking.
Practice removes fear.
Now we level up.
Let's mix past and future.
Example.
Yesterday, I finished my work.
Tomorrow, I will rest.
Different times, different tenses.
Let's do a role play.
I'll start.
Okay?
How was your day yesterday?
It was good. I worked a lot.
What will you do tomorrow?
I will relax at home.
Perfect.
Your turn to repeat.
Yesterday, I worked a lot.
Tomorrow, I will relax at home.
Mini quiz time.
Last weekend, my friend.
Saw.
Correct.
Next weekend, my friend.
We'll see.
Excellent.
Notice how fast you answered?
That is progress.
Your brain is learning patterns.
One last tip.
Use time words.
Yesterday, tomorrow, next week.
They guide your tense.
Real-life example.
Yesterday, I sent the email.
Tomorrow, I will send the report.
Simple and professional.
Your turn now.
Say one sentence about yesterday.
Then one sentence about tomorrow.
Speak out loud.
Let's summarize.
Past tense for finish time.
Future tense for later time.
Simple verbs work best.
Practice speaking every day.
Mistakes mean growth.
Fluent speakers were beginners once.
Be proud of yourself.
If this lesson helped you, subscribe.
Comment one past sentence and one future sentence below.
In the next video, we practice present tense in real conversations.
Keep speaking.
See you next time.